show you how I make a really nice homemade vanilla cake. It's very simple. First we're going to take, I got 2 bowls here, but I'm going to mix the flour in this one. So first we're going to take 3 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm going to put that in there. We're going to mix 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda in there. And about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And we're just going to give that a little whisk. Okay? Whisk it all in. That's the new sifting, you know. Okay, we'll whisk that in and set that aside. Okay? Now we're going to take, whoops, I'm sorry. We're going to take 1 cup of butter, and this is softened. Get out of there. And we're going to beat this till it's really good and fluffy. Okay. So my cake, or my little electric mixer here is horrifically noisy. So I'm going to set this stuff aside, and I'm going to beat these 2 sticks of butter till they're real nice and light and fluffy. And I'll be right back. It won't take me long, just a few minutes. So I'll be back. I'm back. I got it all whipped up nice and light and fluffy. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of sugar and 2.5 teaspoons of vanilla. So now we're going to mix this. Ooh, this might be loud. I'm going to try it. Yeah, that's going to be loud. I'll mix this and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and now that I got that whipped up pretty good, it took about 5 minutes I did it for, we're going to add 1 egg at a time in here. We're going to mix it until it's incorporated. Okay? Do 1 at a time. And that was 4 eggs. Now I'm going to scrape down the side of my bowl. Okay, now with that, we're going to add the flour a little at a time because I don't want it all over. Scrape down the sides. Put a little more in there. Okay, now it's getting thick, so I'm going to put my buttermilk. I've got 1 cup of buttermilk. And I'm going to put all that in here, nice and chunky, with the rest of my flour. And then we're going to mix this real good. So I'm going to mix this real good because this is just making too much noise for the camera. And when I'm all mixed up here, I'll be back. Okay, friends, that is done. And my grandkids aren't here to give the egg beaters to. Get it all out there. All right, I've got my pan here, my cake pan sprayed. It's like a 9 by 13. And I am just going to, maybe, pour this in here. I'm doing this left-handed, friends, and I'm just not too left-handed. This is a thick batter. This is beautiful. All right. I'm just going to spread this around in here. And this is going to bake at 350 degrees for about 30-35 minutes. And of course, until you put a toothpick in there and it comes out clean. So, that's that. When that is all done, I'm going to put that, my oven is still preheating, so when my oven's all preheated, I'm going to put it in there, bake it for 30 to 35 minutes, and when it's done, I'll be back. Okay, friends, there are my 2 cakes that I did. They're for my granddaughter's birthdays, 1 chocolate and 1 vanilla. You got both videos. They turned out really good. They're very easy to make, and I'll be doing a video tomorrow and show you how I decorate them. Well, there you have it. Thanks for watching.